Hi guys. Alright, so I need the camera facing the other way while I do this video because I'm going to show you how to fix your Aria diffuser. Hold on. Okay, first thing that you guys need to know that is super important is, see how my battery got like this? You have to wash your diffuser out with very mild soap, or take a Q-tip and just with a tiny little bit of rubbing alcohol swab this out, because the essential oils will build on this plate and it'll break it down after time just from sitting on there. Even if you don't see the oils on there, they're on there. So it needs to be, some people wash it out every time. That's how you get the best life out of your diffuser. I've had this 5 years. So, but what you can do is order. Diffuser Doctor has these plates that you can order. Whoa. Whoops. So they have this little ultrasonic plate that's exclusive to Young Living. And so it comes with a little tool. You have to be very careful because it's got a spring under there. This is my second time changing it. Like I said, I've had it 5 years. And they've done an upgrade on these diffusers. But mine's the older one. I believe the newer ones are not having the same issue. But when you change it out, it's amazing. Okay, so you see it's got two sides. So you'll know which side is the right side. And then before we end this video, I'm also going to show you, after I put it on, that when this is on, some people, you're not getting like a lot of vapor that comes out, and that is because this here and this, this is the intake, so it has to be kind of across from it, or like angled. If you have it here, it won't, no vapor will come out because that's the intake, and then it comes right out here. So I don't know if I can do this with one hand, and I don't know if I really want to attempt to, but let's see. So I'm going to place that there, and then I have to put this on with the tool that they were giving me. Now, the first time we did it, I think we used like a quarter or something, but yeah. Okay, so what I did was there's these little grooves there, and I just turned it until it was tight. Now, make sure that's all cleaned out. Okay, now I'm using tap water, and it's got the fill line. Now, of course, the tap water, I have it in a bottle, but it's tap water. Always make sure you use the right water that calls for your diffusers, because some of them call for distilled water, and it needs to run off distilled water, and some of them need, like the bamboo, which I think they don't even have anymore, but needs to run off of minerals. So some diffusers need the minerals, oops, sorry, to run better. So, all right, let me get some oils. Okay, we have moved locations here to plug this in. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lavender. Now I am heavy-handed with my oils here, and this is a larger capacity diffuser, and cypress, oh, so good. Boop boop. So 5 and 5, that's a lot. If you're just starting out, don't do that. Maybe do a couple drops to start out. All right, here's the test. Put this on very carefully. Now remember, we're not going to have it like this. We're going to do it off to the side there. Oh. All right, let's see. In Jesus' name. I'm sorry, just kidding. Yes. Is there? Yes. And we have liftoff. So, let's see. Turn the music off. And the lights. Oh yeah. That's good. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's really going. Okay, so watch this. Wow. So you have to kind of play with where it goes. Now watch, if I just pull it forward, nothing much coming out, right? But if we turn it to the side, away from this, check that out. And I'm double diffuser. Now I can move that one and put my baby girl back where it goes. All right, I hope that helped you guys. So that was about $20 from Diffuser Doctor. All right, bye-bye.